Hi everybody, it's Kelly Holland from Divinity Designs. Today I'm here to show you our newest card kit called Christmas Lights. Here's everything that you'll receive in the kit. First, you'll receive the Christmas Lights die. This contains the string, the bulbs, and 2 bows. And here it shows how if you wanted to add bows on the end for a decorative look, you can also do that. You'll receive the True Light stamp set. This contains lots of different verses that you can either use on the card front or stamp inside the card. And you receive this large paper pad. Inside the paper pad, you'll receive 25 of the card fronts, 25 of the red paper for the matting layer. The matting layer is between the card front and the card base. You'll receive 6 of the silver gray paper, and this is what's used on the Christmas Lights line. 3 pink, 3 light green, and 3 dark green. We've provided both the light green and the dark green so that you could choose if you'd like to use dark green, light green, or a combination of all the colors. So let's get started. What's not included in the kit is your white cardstock and any of your ink pads. On our sample we used green, but you can use any color ink pad you would like. So one of the optional accessories to add on is the portrait card base. This cuts out a card base, and of course you could hand cut it. This just makes it nice and easy. So the first thing you'll need is your card base. The next optional add-on would be our matting layer and our rectangles, which cut out your matting piece and your card front. If you've cut out your card base, you'll want to cut your matting layer, either hand cut or with the optional die, and then also your card front. We recommend when cutting your card front, you tape the die in place so that it doesn't shift and everything is nice and straight. Also, when stamping your verse, you want to be very careful so you don't move or slide. Our paper is used on a Xerox machine that is specially used for photos, so it does have more of a shinier finish, which can sometimes be a little slippery. So just extra caution so your stamping is nice and straight. Next, you will add your Christmas light lines and Christmas light bulbs to your card front. Make sure you leave a little space so that they all fit really well. You could put them up high, low, wherever you want. Just keep in mind when your verse is going to be. And there you have it, the Christmas light card kit. Thanks for joining me.